Okay, it's a nice bright sunny Sunday morning and I'm back on the Spider, and I'm basically got most of it back together. The wheels will have to come off again, but I've cleaned them and everything looks much nicer now. I've put the new discs on, gotta say, very pleased with that. Been de-snagging a bit, anticipating and future-proofing. The air filter box just here has 3 large Phillips screws which corrode into the brass captive fasteners that are embedded in the plastic, and they tend to do damage. But anyway, what happened was when I took them out, the threaded insert kind of unwound itself from the plastic casing, and which is fortunate, it didn't actually crack or break the casing. So what I did is I put it in the vise and I removed the horrible rusted fastener, as you can see there, and I've replaced them all with nice stainless steel ones. As you can see here, I've got stainless steel self-tap type screws with stainless steel penny washers that will refit all of the plastics on the top, so tidy it up and it will future-proof it a bit. Another thing is these captive nuts, which are a bit difficult to get hold of. I did actually manage to find some via a supplier via the internet, and because they tend to chew themselves, they corrode together and then they chew themselves up. There's a new one in there, as you can see. I bought 10 of these. It cost me about 14 quid including tax and postage, but anyway, someone's going to tell me now that I could have got it cheaper at an Alfa dealer, but anyway. So I'm going round taking out fasteners, cleaning them up, putting a bit of copper slip on and reassembling, cleaning up, generally tidying, so make the car nicer and make it easier to work on in the future, and adjust the headlights. Some of the headlights were, these fasteners were corroded. I've removed that one and that one successfully, cleaned them up and then copper slipped them. The other side, that one I've managed to get out, but this one is chewing out the captive nut, which is fortunate. I've got 10 of them in it. You might think 10's a lot, but they also use on other Alfa cars, including the Alfa Sprint, so they're going to come in useful. I may even have to buy some more, you never know. Anyway, that's what I've been doing this morning, and perhaps I'll add a bit more to this before I post it on YouTube, but it's kind of enjoyable really, putting it all straight and cleaning it up and taking the bodges out and making it so that you can adjust headlights and take things off and put them back on again without breaking your tools or hurting your knuckles or things like that. Anyway, so I shall continue and speak to you later.